Once you are logged into climate.com, select Manage Fields in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. After clicking on Manage Fields, select Add a Field and enter the address, zip code, or latitude and longitude of the field, or use the plus or minus buttons to zoom in on the map. Common land unit boundaries will appear in green if available in your geography. Click on the Common Land Unit boundary to activate the desired field. Common land unit boundaries can be combined by clicking inside each boundary. Once a boundary has been created, either manually or by Common Land Unit, click and pull on the white dots on the boundary in order to adjust them or manually create another polygon to keep adding to the field. When you're ready to save the field boundary, enter field, client, and farm names. Once those three are entered, select Save and return to the main page, or click Save and Add More to add more separate fields. If edits are needed after the field has been saved, click on the notepad and pencil icon next to the specific field. Clicking this button will take you back to the drawing tools that you used to initially draw the field. Be sure to save any changes by selecting the Save button. Having clean boundaries keeps your data organized, reports accurate, and scripts easy to generate and execute. This will also ensure that there will be no surprises when it's time to enter the field. For additional support, please reach out to our FieldView support team or visit the Knowledge Center.